Let's make a summer salad with grilled steak on the barbecue.
Okay, let's get to work. I'm using fresh arugula tonight, a little bit of olive oil and some red wine vinegar. I'll give that a good toss, that way it's got a nice coating of the oil and the vinegar. We'll go ahead and set that onto our plate so we can prepare our toppings for tonight. Salads are healthy food. The great thing is you can customize them any way you'd like. Tonight I'm using a mixture of Granny Smith apples, strawberries, I have cherry tomatoes, cucumbers. I use my peeler to slice those up. It's a little bit better for the presentation. We'll go ahead and add those onto our arugula. Please also remember to do me a favor, hit that like button, smash the follow button, that way you can see more great easy recipes. Okay, there's that nice cranberry cinnamon goat cheese, and tonight I'm using my homemade raspberry vinaigrette dressing. Last but not least, I'm chopping up some warm almonds and adding those onto the salad. Now we can move on to our grill and get that steak going. Be sure to always lay that steak away from you, that way you can control the flame. A little cross pattern, I only cook it 1 minute per side times 4. Then we'll go ahead and slice that up after it's rested for a few minutes and add that onto our nice summer salad. This summer salad with grilled steak is going to be one healthy recipe and a great dinner.
Boom! So that's a fresh summer salad. I've got loads of great things in there. I've got fresh roasted crushed almonds, cranberry cinnamon goat cheese. I have cucumbers, strawberries, apples. Don't forget the star of the show, that steak grilled on the barbecue. I also have a nice raspberry vinaigrette dressing loaded up on this arugula salad. It's fantastic. Please also remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. That way you can see more great recipes and we'll be able to keep cooking together. Until next time, happy cooking. Boom! This is fantastic.